Hey Bee Cave, John here from American Eagle Plumbing. Today I wanted to let you know that even plumbers make mistakes. Crazy as it seems, plumbers make mistakes. So what I had going on today was we were replacing a meter valve outside and installing a pressure reducing valve. Pressure was at over 100 psi, which by now, if you've seen some of our videos, you've realized that that's probably not a good thing. So I had to locate the water main, and here in Bee Cave it's really rocky and there's lots of rocks, and I had to use a pickaxe to try to find the water main. And I knew I was close. However, I'm going to show you here in a minute what I hit. However, I hit a bullseye right here. Bam! Right in the middle of the copper. I had probably a 15-foot geyser under the tree. It's kind of warm, so it actually felt pretty good for a moment. But what I had to do was dig it all out and find a piece of copper that was behind the break yet in front of the rock. So thankfully there was enough copper, but when I cut it off, it was all oblong and oval. Let's see, just kind of like this right here, kind of oblong and oval. And I said to myself, fantastic. Now what am I gonna do? So I went into my truck and I'm gonna find the tool that I used here to reshape my copper. This is a 3/4 inch flaring tool. So what I did to reshape my copper was stick this in there, and it reshaped and it brought my copper back to round. And I was able to get a fitting back on it, reconnect it, and thankfully, in spite of my own mistake, I was able to correct it and fix it. So below, I'm going to show you my repair and what it kind of looks like. So this is the hole. This is the new meter valve right here. And this guy right here is the pressure reducing valve. And right behind it, I don't know if you can see, is kind of where I hit spot on with my pick. And but right now the repair's been made. The pressure is set at 60 psi. We've just verified that. And the other things that we did inside was we installed an expansion tank to take care of the expansion and contraction of the water. And we installed a Flow-Tech device. The Flow-Tech device is an anti-scale device that doesn't remove the hard water, but it doesn't allow the hard water to stick to your fixtures or stick to the inside of the piping. So we have now installed that. We've taken care of the pressure, and it's all over but the pickup. I'm John from American Eagle Plumbing. Thanks so much, Austin, for watching. Be great.